Khadija Ahmed thought her only son was going to work as a guard as part of Qatar's 2022 World Cup preparations. But at her home in Somalia's capital, Mogadishu, she now fears the job was a trick and that the 16-year-old may have been forcibly recruited to fight for Eritrea, one of the world's most secretive nations.
The boy is missing, and I don't know if he's dead or alive. Their father, a senior military officer, died for his country.
Other families have similar stories, and the apparently secret recruitment of youths for Eritrea is stirring anger in Somalia. Last week, protests were sparked after the former deputy director of Somalia's National Intelligence Security Agency, Abdisalam Gulid, said Somalis had been sent by Eritrea to fight in Ethiopia's northern Tigray region.
I don't have an accurate number, I don't have any evidence, but I do have a reliable source who told me the number of Somali soldiers, the casualties, are about 370, and other 100 numbers are died in a battlefield.
He provided a list of names which Reuters was unable to independently verify that he said was given to him by an Ethiopian official. Mohammed Dahir believes his two sons may have been killed in Tigray, where Ethiopia's government has been fighting rebellious regional forces. He says he can't sleep, worrying about his children and not knowing if they are dead or alive. A regional security analyst said around 1,000 Somalis had been recruited and taken to Eritrea, with some having now returned, some unreachable, and others still in Eritrea, a country often referred to as the North Korea of Africa. Somalia's government did not respond to requests for comment on its apparent role in the recruitment, though spokesman Mohammed Ibrahim said no Somalis had been sent to Ethiopia. Eritrean Information Minister Yemane Meskel said the claims were ludicrous and that there is massive disinformation floating around.